Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by inspecting the net closely under a bright light for holes, pulls, and frayed edges. Lay the Fascinator flat on a clean surface and gently smooth the net with your fingers to reveal damage. Prepare a size 10 needle and 18 inches of matching polyester thread to stitch delicate netting. Keep a small pair of scissors, straight pins, and a glass head pin nearby for temporary holds. Measure the veil length to 3.5 inches if you plan to trim or reposition the netting later. To repair small holes, use a ladder stitch to gently close the mesh without puckering. Thread the needle with a single 18-inch length and not one end for control. Work small, even stitches that follow the netting pattern to keep the repair invisible. Keep stitches tiny, no longer than 1/4 inch each, and gently pull to close the hole evenly. Anchor the thread with a single knot hidden under a fold or seam allowance to secure the repair. If the net is beyond repair, cut replacement netting to a 6 by 8 inch piece for typical small Fascinator veils. Position the new net and secure it with straight pins while checking placement against the wearer's face. Attach the net to the base using whip stitches spaced every 3.5 millimeters to distribute tension evenly. Trim excess netting, leaving a 1/4 inch allowance to hide the raw edge. Reinforce the seam with a narrow strip of ribbon.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.